The 2026 Hyundai Tucson builds further on its already strong reputation among compact SUVs by blending upgraded tech, better safety, and improved powertrain options into a more polished package. Visually, it carries over many of the changes introduced in its recent refresh: sharper LED lighting, bolder grille designs in higher trims, and cleaner lines. Exterior tweaks such as slightly larger wheel options, subtle body contouring, and new color choices give it a more modern stance without being too radical or polarizing. Inside, Tucson maintains Hyundai's push toward a tech-forward, comfortable cabin. The dashboard is built around a curved display with a 12.3-inch digital driver cluster paired with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system in higher specs, which blends nicely into the center console. Physical buttons and knobs are used for commonly used functions like audio volume, climate control, and tuning, something many drivers appreciate over purely touch-based layouts. Materials are generally good. Soft surfaces where you touch often, accented trim, and options for leather or H-Tex upholstery in upper trims. Some cheaper plastics are still visible, but that's normal for the class. Space is decent for the class. Front seats offer good legroom and visibility, and rear passengers will find the Tucson fairly comfortable for medium-length journeys. Headroom is respectable, though taller passengers in the back may feel slightly limited depending on the roofline or if sunroof options eat into overhead space. Cargo volume is competitive. Folding rear seats yields a usefully flat floor, making loading easier. Power liftgate, where available, helps with daily usability, especially when hands are full. Performance options continue to expand. For 2026, Hyundai has trimmed some of the variants, but the major offerings now include a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine and a hybrid combining a 1.6-liter turbo petrol with electric assist. Interestingly, all-wheel drive is now only offered with the hybrid variant. The hybrid version delivers strong torque and power, for this segment yielding lively takeoffs and smoother acceleration around town. Fuel economy gets a bump, especially in city driving or mixed conditions where electric assist can help reduce fuel consumption. Ride and handling have seen refinement. The Tucson's updated chassis tuning offers improved stability in cornering, reduced body roll, and a more composed feel over bumps. Steering response is more precise. In HEV, hybrid, and AWD modes, Hyundai's e-handling is applied to improve directional stability in tricky conditions like wet roads or light off-road surfaces like gravel. Noise insulation has also been addressed better. Wind and road noise are reduced, especially in higher trim models, giving a quieter cabin at highway speeds. Safety tech is a strong selling point. The Hyundai SmartSense suite comes standard with many driver assistance features: forward collision avoidance including pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, safe exit warning, driver attention warning, high beam assist, and more. Certain advanced features are only available in upper trims, such as surround view, 360-degree cameras, remote parking assist, and navigation-based smart cruise control with curve control. Fuel economy is one of the big pluses, especially for the hybrid variants. Depending on trim, drivetrain, and driving conditions, hybrid models provide significantly better efficiency, particularly in city or mixed driving. Estimates from Australia give highway fuel consumption of about 6.5 L, 100 km for the hybrid with strong torque figures, while petrol-only versions lag somewhat behind. For those with longer highway drives though, the combustion engine variants remain adequate but less efficient over time. It's a trade-off between upfront cost and longer-term running expenses. Trim packaging is better focused in 2026. Hyundai has simplified some of the options, reducing overlapping variants so that buyers are clearer about what they're getting. Premium and N-line packs give sportier styling cues: unique wheels, larger wheels, black or suede leather combinations, red stitching, etc., along with comfort features such as ventilated seats, heated rear seats, panoramic sunroof, memory driver's seat, etc. The N-line appearance package is more about style than true performance, but it does give the Tucson a more aggressive look if that's something you prefer. Warranty and after-sales support remain strong. Hyundai offers generous warranties and in many markets maintenance service intervals are reasonable. Hybrid battery warranties are longer in many countries, reflecting confidence in the hybrid system. There are also extras like digital key functionality, air purification modes, fine dust sensors in some markets, that improve comfort and appeal especially in urban or polluted regions. On the downside, the Tucson isn't perfect. In lower trims, some of the more premium touches, interior trim, noise insulation, seat materials are less impressive, acceptable, but they don't match what rivals do in the same price range. Weight from the hybrid and AWD systems can dull throttle response compared to lighter rivals when pushing hard. In addition, advanced safety assist features in the lower trims are often optional, which raises the price quickly once you add them. Also, visibility from the rear pillars can be a bit compromised due to design, especially with larger rear quarter glass shapes and thick C-pillars. Overall, the 2026 Hyundai Tucson is a compelling compact SUV choice. It offers an excellent balance of efficiency, features, safety, and style. If you pick the right trim, especially hybrid, all-wheel drive or higher levels, you get a vehicle that feels premium and modern, with running costs that are more sensible than many purely gasoline equivalents. For buyers focused mainly on cost, the base petrol model works, but many of Tucson's strengths shine brightest in the more equipped hybrid versions.